Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can make money to yourself, and I want you people to participate in this update. If you're actually watching this video, you can implement this update, but please and please, before you implement any update that I drop on this platform, you need first of all to carry out the same research I'm going to show you to make sure that the arbitrage is still working. This kind of arbitrage has time limit. It might be 1 hour, it might be 30 minutes, depending on how last it is. So you need to carry out your research first. It might occur maybe the moment I just dropped the video to you guys, the arbitrage get expired. So you first of all need to carry out your own research first before you enter into this kind of arbitrage. Okay, but first of all, before I jump into the video to show you how you can implement this same strategy right now and be making money to yourself, please like my video, subscribe. This is the reason why you should subscribe to this channel, because I drop updates like this immediately for you to get participate. So let's jump into the video. Today we are going to make use of this coin called RAF. This currency is called RAF. So we are going to buy RAF here and sell it in another exchange and see if we can make profit. Okay, so this update that I'm going to drop, immediately you see this update, please try and implement it. It's actually working right now. It's working right now. You can see there's liquidity. People are buying and people are selling, and you can see. So first of all, what you need to do is, let's go and check the fee. As you can see, we are going to buy from this exchange and sell it to another exchange. This is how much they charge for the fee. Network fee is 2,297 raf. The network is Ethereum. Let's calculate. Let's go back and calculate. Okay, 2,297. You can see it's actually $1.5. $1.5. So it's not much. Even shocking me, say for the first time Ethereum fee is this low. So it's actually 1.5 fee. So what you need to do is, we need to insert the amount of raft we want to buy. You can carry out this arbitrage since the amount is low, with the sum of 40 USDT, 30 USDT, or even with 27 USDT. So first of all, what we need to do is, let's use 30 USDT. Now insert 30. If with our 30 USDT, we are going to have the sum of 45,228 raft. That's what we are going to have. So you can see people are selling it. But I want to sound this to you. I'm always honest when I'm doing my updates. With this arbitrage, I have already made the research. We are not going to use market order on this one. We are going to use limit order. If the market was moving very quite all right, I would have told you to use market order, since the market is not that moving fast. So I'm going to advise you to use limit order so that you can buy here very cheap. Because if you want to buy from this place, you discover that at the other exchange you are still going to sell at the same price you bought here, since the people selling is very higher than the current market price. So you need to set market limit. I hope I explained it to your understanding. So first of all, we need to copy this. Copy. Let me go back and show you step by step so that you understand what I'm trying to do. I come back. Okay, you can see the network. Then I now put the amount here to show you everything. Okay, you can see after deducting 2,297 raft, you will be left with 42,931. Let's have that in mind. 42,931. Okay, let's go back. They are selling RAF at the rate of 0.00801. So compared to the other, let's check the network if it's actually the same with the other one. Okay, click on deposit. Okay, you can see the same Ethereum. So let's go back. Here people are actually buying the raft at the rate of 0.00760, while they are selling at the rate of 0.08, some 0.007. So what we are going to do now, so we are going to insert the amount we have left after removing the network fee. Let's check it again. Okay, you can see if we send 45,228 to exchange, we are going to receive 42,931. So let's put it here. 42 42,931. Boom, you can see that you have made a profit of 32.9 dollars. As in, your profit here is $2.9. You can see you can sell to this very guy. You can sell to this very guy there, this very guy at first here, that is buying at the rate of 0.00760, and make your profit. See, you can see there's liquidity that you can sell. There are a lot of people here waiting to buy your RAF, so you can sell it to them and make your profit, and still go back again and implement the same strategy. Okay, so please, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe.